Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by going straight into Settings and finding Security and Privacy or Biometrics. This is where fingerprints are stored. Unlock the phone with your PIN, pattern, or password so you can make changes. Once done, tap Fingerprints to show the list of enrolled prints. You need this list visible because you will pick which entry to remove. This avoids deleting the wrong print and forces you to confirm identity before changes proceed. You now tap the specific fingerprint name or icon to open its details. This isolates the exact record you want to delete. Next, choose Delete or Remove Fingerprint from the options that appear, because Oppo keeps multiple slots and you only want to remove the targeted one. When the system prompts for confirmation, verify which print is listed and confirm removal. Doing so permanently deletes biometric data for that slot, and after deletion, make sure the fingerprint list no longer shows the removed entry and then reboot the phone to clear any cache. This ensures the change fully applies. If biometric unlock behaves oddly, re-enroll your remaining prints so sensors recalibrate. If the deleted fingerprint still appears, go back to Settings and try removing it again or use Reset Settings as a last resort. This clears misconfigurations, but keep in mind it won't erase personal data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.